Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to Financial Omniscient. In our last trading session, market opened at 15705 and closed at 15722 positive. Out of 50, 28 stocks are in positive and 21 are in negative. In chart, you can see market opened in gap up. In 15 minutes chart. Here you can observe market open gap up, and initially there is some selling pressure, but after that market was rally up, finally closed in positive at 15722, whereas in bank nifty opened at 34728 and closed at 34809. Out of 12, okay, 7 are in positive. Even here also you can see it is also open in gap up, but finally closed in 13809. Here one thing you can observe, you see in 1 hour chart, last 4 trading session are closing in negative, but finally in the last Friday session market closed in positive. Even bank nifty also previous 4 sessions are closed in negative, and last session closed in positive. And for tomorrow, the support and resistance levels are for nifty are identified as support is 15,600 and resistance is 15,800. Here you can note that when the market is closed below 15,500, then there will be a huge drawdown. And even for bank nifty, the support is 34,500 and resistance is 35,000. And in 1 hour chart, if you draw Fibonacci, you can see here exactly market at 61.8%, market taken support and started rebouncing. So we can expect market will move uptrend in from tomorrow trading session. Even if for bank nifty also, if you draw Fibonacci, you can see at 50%, okay, it is in the range bound completely. It is mostly it was taken support, and apart from this, if you draw trend lines, see here, you can see some kind of flag. Okay, so yeah, mostly there is a chance of market can move uptrend. Even nifty also can see it is in some range bound. Okay, so positively we can expect positive moment from tomorrow onwards. Okay, that's all for today, friends. And friends, if you like our analysis, please like, comment and subscribe our channel. And please note that this video is only for education purpose. Thank you.